in this video, I will be showing you how to Photoshop a face. First, open up Files or Finder, depending on what OS you're using, and find the image. I already have it on my Photoshop, so I won't be using that. Now, once on here, you can easily edit it. First, select whether you want the burn or sponge tool. This is not necessary, however the sponge tool will extract the color and remove it, and the burn tool will burn the skin or whatever you're using. Now, if you want to edit the face more intensively, use Command-Shift-X or find Liquify on Windows. Once you're there, you should get the Liquify option where you can do this. This is not what we want to do, however. We want to simply go to the face editing options. If you're on Windows, you should be able to easily access this with Command A. Now, you can adjust the eye size, like so, the eye height, the eye width, and the eye tilt, along with their distance apart. There's also the nose option for nose height and width, smile option, the upper lip movement, and the lower lip option. There's also mouth width and mouth height. There's then the forehead option, the chin height option, the jawline option, and the face width option. Unfortunately, there is no ear option. However, you should be able to press this face button and get more options or easier to use tools. Once you press OK, all changes will be saved, and voila! Your Kim Jong-un, if you did use a Kim Jong-un photo, has now been photoshopped. I hope this video was interesting and fun. Be sure to click the notifications button if you are subscribed, or just subscribe right now if you want to, and like this video if it was convenient. Share it with a friend or two if they have Photoshop, and I'll see you all in the next video.